So now I finished cleaning my sofas. So I'm gonna just move up the cushions out there. You know. And just put it in there. Move it out here. So now I'm gonna use this to do to wipe to dust the dust here on all the paste. This is what I do on weekends. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday morning. I got a lot of things to do today. Cleaning. Today is cleaning day. I got a lot to clean today in my house. This is my living room. Yes, this is my living room. So I just woke up about an hour ago. So I want to do house cleaning today. Hoovering and dusting of the house. Okay guys, I want to done there. That is the right time. Yeah, where I reside. Yeah. So today is a cleaning day for me. That is the outside of our street. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing dusting and polishing the sofa, the woodworks here. This is a leather sofa. So it has its own polish where I'm gonna polish it. Yeah, I'm gonna clean the telly as well. Dust everywhere. Clean all the, everything on this cupboard is gonna be dusted. I haven't dusted them for years, so today I just said let me do it today. So today is cleaning day in the house. Can you see me? I'm gonna be cleaning my house today, hoovering my house today, guys. Today is cleaning day, so I hope you come and join me and do the cleaning. Do the cleaning. I'm gonna hoover the floor as well. That is the floor. Yeah. Here is a bit dark today, but I put on the light so the recording can be a bit bright. So after dusting the house, I'm gonna be using my hoover. There's one upstairs and one downstairs. This one is very handy. Yeah, this is my hoover where I just press here. Just start to work. You see, it's electric. You just plug it. It's very handy, very easy, very easy to use, and I love it. This hoover cost me £200 to buy. Yeah, I broke it one day after hoovering. It just slip out of my hand, and the middle here break, but it's okay. It doesn't have any side effect on it. Okay, guys, this is very handy hoover, very comfortable hoover. It's electric one. You charge it for the whole day. So now I'm gonna stop it working. You see, I just use my feet to put it on, switch it off. You see, it's handy, very handy, very handy. You see, very handy. Air ram, very handy hoover. It has the vacuum here where I open it and empty it. It picks things quickly and it's very comfortable, very easy to use. It's not complicated at all, My cleaning stuff I'm using to clean today, okay? So I'll start dusting now. I'm going to take this one. This one is for cleaning the furniture, okay? And any woodworks in the house, okay, guys? So I'm gonna use this one to start cleaning. Dust my chairs. These are for dusting of chairs, okay? So just use it to clean my chair. Just buff it up. Okay. Today's cleaning day. I told you guys I'm gonna be cleaning and cleaning and cleaning. So now I finished cleaning my sofas. So I'm gonna just move up the cushions out there. And just put it in there. Move it out here. So now I'm gonna use this to do to dust the the dust here on all the place. This is what I do for weekends. Do the cleaning. Don't mind my face. No makeup this morning, okay? This is not makeup day today. It's cleaning the house, dusting, you know, making sure everything is in order. This cloth is specially made to soak in dust. It's very good, very handy. Very, very good for you. Okay, guys. So I told you guys, today's cleaning day, like I said. Cleaning a little bit, then go and have my breakfast, you know. So I take this to the kitchen, because I have flour at the back. I just change my flour vase every day, you know. Sometimes I buy from the supermarket as well, but I take from the garden as well, okay? Okay, guys. This one here is when the radiator is hot. We put water here, it suck the air, it suck, you know. This one, you must have it on your radiators. Fill it with water. So it's time to hoover now. Hoover some air in the house. So now I'm in the kitchen. I'm gonna be loading the dishwasher. Then I'll just clean the kitchen tops. Okay, guys. So I ain't got much to wash. I'm gonna load the dishwasher. We are only two in the house, so sometimes the dishwasher take 1 week to load, or 5 days, depending how we eat. Okay, some days I leave it. I use the dishwasher once every week. I just keep loading and loading and loading them up. Okay, guys, keep loading them up. You know, with dirty spoons and all sorts, all the dirty stuff. Okay. That is how I load them with dirty spoons. Then I leave them when it is full. Then I put it on the tablets and the conditioning, you know. Then I wash. So now this is the kitchen. I start cleaning up. I've loaded the washing machine and the dishwasher. So this is the kitchen worktop that I'm gonna just clean and rearrange. You know, tidying up everywhere properly. Yeah. Let's charging my phone. So that is the kitchen worktop. I'm gonna be tidying up and do some cleaning. Okay. That is what shows us how much we've used for the week. Our meter reading here tells you how much we've consumed in electricity. Okay, guys. So this is the kitchen top. Wok or top, whatever you call it. Where I'll start to clean. Yeah, the sun is out now. I don't know if you're seeing it. So just clean all. This is hand cream and this is hand wash. Just keep them. This one is full of. This one is where we put waste food. And you see it. So I'm gonna be putting another clean bag. Change it because it's smelling now in the kitchen. This is our waste food. It's going out. So I'll change the bucket. It's wet. The bucket is wet. So I fix it back, then clean it, sanitize it, you know. then let it dry. Then I put a new bag in there. That is a food waste bin. Yeah, we have the real one outside, but this one is just the one in the kitchen. Okay, I let the egg go in there. This is just for only food. You can't put any other thing. This is food waste bag. It must be green bag. Okay, guys. So we come in here and start cleaning. Cleaning the worktop, clean the cooker, clean everywhere. So the food bin now, waste food, is clean. I've cleaned it, put a clean bag in there. This is the bag you should always use. Otherwise, the bin man will not carry your food waste. We don't waste that much, but you know, you do fish or you break, you know, like fish or any little food or bone, fish bone, chicken bone, anything, you just put it in there. Okay, so I've cleaned all here now. You see how clean it is? Everywhere is cleaned. Everywhere is sparkling now. The kitchen is cleaned. The cooker is cleaned. Everywhere is sparkling. I got a clean kitchen to start the weekend. That is the bin for the black bin, yeah? When it's full, I take it out. Take it outside. Sometimes I don't lock it. I just open it for air to flow in. So everything has been clean. The tumble dryer. When I use the tumble dryer to dry clothes, sometimes I don't, like this summertime, I don't really use tumble dryer because sometimes it kills your clothes. Like my new nice clothes, my outing clothes, I don't put them in tumble dryer. I just dry them airy like that. Otherwise, this tumble dryer, it's like for towels. When you finish drying, you just open it and empty all the fluffy things that he has gathered in here. Yeah, then after that, you put them back again. Yeah, you close it, click it and put it back. Sometimes tumble dryer can be funny with your clothing. I don't put my good clothes or like my African clothes in the tumble dryer. No way, I don't. You know, so the kitchen has been clean. Everywhere is tidying up. This is where I get my flowers from. There are flowers in the garden, I just go you know, cut them, put some water in my flower vase. Like this one is beautiful. I got this from the garden because I love flowers. Sometimes I buy from the shops, from the supermarket. Sometimes I cut from my garden, you know. So guys, have a lovely weekend. I'll see you all soon. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your lovely comments. Stay blessed. And I love you all. And thank you. Thank you. Be yourself. Don't stress yourself too much. Don't compete with anybody. Focus on what you are good in doing. Don't look at people's view or people's subscribers. Look onto your own and work hard towards your own channel. Because otherwise, if you want to compete with people, my dear, you get high blood pressure. Just do your own thing at your own pace. Your time will shine. Your time will come. I love you all. And remain blessed. We are all winners. We are all peculiar, different individuals. We're all celebrities. We're all created in different ways with different talents and different knowledge and different ideas. Okay, guys, stay blessed. And I love you all. And thank you for watching. Thank you. Where I store my cleaning stuff, my washing powder, area tablets, and my fabric conditioner. I like to use good fabric conditioner on any of my clothing, towels, kitchen towels. I must condition my clothing. That keeps your clothing or your clothes lasts forever with good washing powder. I use this one, Vanish, to remove any stain in my clothing. Yeah. So this is where I store my cleaning stuff, guys. So guys, this one here is to clean the floor. It's to sanitize the floor. It's not like if you have a kids or you have like a tile floor. Yeah. So what I'll do, I open this out and take this one is already dirty. So I'm gonna fix in this one. So when I plug it, before I plug it, I will fill in water in there. There's a place where I will open it. I will open it here, and fill it with water. When I fill it with water, I will close it Then when I put it on, it will be bubbling, it will be steaming the water. So that is what I use to steam the carpet, the whole house, even in the bathroom. Because sometimes we go out, go shopping, especially in this time of coronavirus. We go out, match shoes, you don't know who has sparks on the floor or we on the floor. You take your shoe, come in, so inside the house. So this is my steaming machine. You see the water bubbling there. When you steam, the whole floor is hot. Your carpet is hot. So I change. When I change, I wash this. This dirty one gonna be changed. I take this out and wash in the washing machine. You can see this one can come out. You see, this one is out. You know. You open this one like this. Like this. It's out. Then I fix this clean one in there. It's very easy. I fix this clean one in there. Okay. And clean the floor. Sanitize the floor with this machine. Very good for family who has kids that are crawling. You know, when you go up as a mother, you come in with your slippers or your shoe or your trainer. Your kids is crawling on the ground. What they pick from the ground in the house, they put in their mouths. So this is good to steam your house, to steam the floor, the carpet of your house. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching. See you soon again. And take care and bye. So now I finished cleaning the floor. So I'm going to put a clean one now. A brand clean one there. It has something that will stick to it. This is a clean one now, yeah? So I got two to wash now after cleaning the floor. You just stick it. You just stick like that, yeah? You follow the shape, yeah? So you put this one on like that, yeah? Can you see? It will click. It's not difficult. You just put it. It will click on its own. Okay. Don't worry if it's over. It doesn't matter. Look at it. It's click. I've done it now. So I fixed a clean one now. So I got two to go and wash. This one is clean. So I'm gonna keep this one for another day to clean. This is clean now. So I got two to wash. Okay, guys. Take care and bye.